had a conversation concerning the number of witnesses before we took our break. And at that time, there was mention in discussion that you wanted to talk with Mr. Moore concerning his right to testify, not to testify, and you had that opportunity.
Yes, Your Honor. Absolutely.
And has he made a decision at this point?
Yes, I made a decision at this point.
All right. Mr. Moore, you can remain seated, sir. You don't have to stand. You have had discussion with your lawyers about your right to testify, not to testify. Is that correct, sir? And they've advised you concerning that various strategies that could be involved in that. Of course, you've already introduced evidence of that and had testimony, so that the right to have closing arguments is no longer available. But you still have the right to not say a word, as you heard me say to the jury second time today. If they don't need to look at you to prove anything or disprove anything, you don't have to say a word. That still stands. But you also have the right to testify, you understand?
Yes, sir.
And at this point, you have not made a decision. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
When you do make your decision, I will if you'll just let your lawyers know, and it needs to be disclosed before you actually testify, because I'll need to talk to you about this further. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
And at this point, you are not under the influence of any medication, any alcohol affecting your decisions.
No, sir.
And you've had certainly been talking with your lawyers throughout, and you're satisfied with the manner in which they discussed your rights concerning the right to testify.
Yes, sir.
All right. And I'll accept that, as I understand, there's a possibility of two more witnesses, one being a forensic expert and possibly Mr. Moore.
That's right. Possibility that
I understand that. I'm not holding you to that.
two, maybe three witnesses.
All right. Solicitor, at this point, and I'm not holding you to this, but do you anticipate any reply testimony?
Yes, Your Honor, just one, and it will be, quite frankly, the shortest witness we will call.
All right, so my plan is to probably have lunch brought into the jury, because I think we can probably get to arguing and charging in the early afternoon, and let Mr. Jurors start this decision-making process by Wednesday afternoon. Of course, that depends on how the witnesses unfold. I'm going to plan to be back in Columbia by 10:30. We'll have the jury return at 10:30, and we'll start the trial at that time.
We'll be ready, Your Honor.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Let's bring the jury. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate your patience, and had some discussion. At this point, we're going to take a recess for this afternoon. I know it's 4:45, and you're thinking, well, from what we've discussed, barring anything unforeseen, and this is always subject to change, I believe we can finish the evidentiary portion of this trial by lunchtime on Wednesday, and have the last two phases early afternoon, and you will probably receive this case to begin your deliberations by Wednesday afternoon. So we would have to come back anyway, so we'll go ahead and recess at this point and let you go home. I'm going to ask that you be in the jury room, please, by 10:30 on Wednesday, and we'll resume the trial at 10:30. So you get a little extra, you get an hour more, it gives me an hour more to get through Columbia, but I'll be here by then, and we'll bring you in, and we'll resume the testimony. And we're planning for lunch to be brought in for you, so you can eat your lunch and deliberate simultaneously if it happens to fall in that hour. So thank you very much. Please remember, you still are not at liberty to discuss this case with anyone. Do not watch any news accounts, do not read anything about it, and don't conduct any research. Have a great day, and I'll see you Wednesday. Thank you. Anything from the state before we recess? No, sir. Anything from the bench?
No.
Thank you. We'll be easy until 10:30.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir, you too.
Thank you. Appreciate it. I'm gonna put it on whatever the flow of traffic is. Yeah. We always say speed, I drive the speed of traffic.
Yeah.
But I also was pulled the bridge from the meeting in Hilton Bend, and I was in the line of traffic, and I was the last one, and I made that statement. I said, well, let me try to say that. I didn't move that.